Hey everybody, Caleb Klassen here with the Luczak Group at Keller Williams Client's Choice Realty, and today I'm bringing you another exciting home listing tour at 7474 Silver Bow Drive. This home is located in the Glen at Widefield subdivision, which is a highly desired and well-matured neighborhood here in the 80925 area. And just minutes away, you have awesome eats, great walking trails, and all the shopping your wallet can handle. The schools in the area include Sunrise Elementary, Janitel Middle School, and Mesa Ridge High School. This home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage with a large office space, all coming to a grand total of 2,100 square feet. Sits on a great big corner lot with amazing landscaping and a great curb appeal to reel you in. You guys are gonna love the inside of this beautiful home. Let's go inside and take a look. As soon as you walk into this home, you're gonna notice the super open layout with the big windows and the lightly colored ceramic tile, which just allows the natural light to flow into this home. This kitchen offers a very modern touch with the stainless steel appliances, white cabinets, and the complementing beige composite countertops. With the adjoining dining room, it allows for great space management and easy entertaining. Here on the main level, you have 2 large bedrooms and 1 bathroom. With one of those bedrooms being the owner's suite, it offers a large walk-in closet and it adjoins to the main level bath. As you can see, this bathroom is updated to the T and gives you a very luxurious feel. As soon as you walk into this basement, you're gonna realize how comfortable and open it is, how easy it is to entertain guests. You have a full bedroom with 2 large closets and another super luxurious bathroom. You also have a large office space down here, which allows for tons of privacy and focus. The second bathroom offers a large standing shower and lots of simple updates to make this bathroom also feel very luxurious. This home is coming onto the market at a very competitive price, $375,000 for this. As with all of our homes, this home comes with a blue ribbon home warranty, transferable to the buyer upon closing. If you or anybody else you know has a question about this home, you can reach me at 719-653-4074, and you can always check us out at makespringshomes.com. Thanks for checking us out.